How long ago did the army of Gargarensis pass through here?
Not long, a few days perhaps. They went to the mountains to the north and started building walls and fortresses.
Then that is the entrance to the underworld. He has already reached the gate.
If he opens that gate, your Ragnarok will happen.
We must stop him. Skipan. Atraus.
Tilbúin? Ég vil. Já.
Ég vil. Samþykkt. Timbursveit.
Já. Satt. Tilbúin? Samþykkt. Ég vil. Já. Samþykkt. Já. Ég vil. Samþykkt. Satt. Satt. Samþykkt. Já, ég vil. Já. Hver er þar? Ég vil.
Skipan? Já? Satt, ég vil.
Skipan. Raus. Raus! Jag vill! Att raus! Att raus! Att raus! Att raus!
Hver er þar? Samþykkt. Timbursveit.
Skipan. Já. Att raus! Jag vill. Samvikt. Att raus! Jag vill. Odin the Allfather will guide our spears.
I have followed you here, Gargarensis.
Jag vill. Att raus!
We're under attack!
Já, já. Ég vil.
A hero has fallen.
Hver er þar?
Tilbúin?
Já, samþykkt. Ég vil. Samþykkt. Já, samþykkt. Já, ég vil. Samþykkt. Ég vil. Já, samþykkt.
Já.
A hero has fallen.
Já. Já, samþykkt. Samþykkt, já, ég vil.
A hero has fallen.
Já, ég vil. Já, ég vil.
Do not let the appearance fool you. The well will take us to Niflheim.
You go first, Chiron. If you fall screaming to your death, we'll just stay here.
When you decide which of you will go first, I'll be waiting at the bottom.